Did I not relax my hair like last week? What is this? You know, Afro is a scam. For now, I'm just gonna do my hair. So I'm just trying to do a little bun. Right, quickly. This is our styling gel, the Eco what styling gel I'm gonna apply. Okay, I'll just use this comb. And then I already have a straight line here because a few days ago we did the same hairstyle. Let's hope for the best, guys. We live by faith. Yeah, I think it's happening. Our DIY ribbon. Oh no, we need help this side. Okay, let me just try to tie it up. Are we slaying on it? I'm just gonna do my edges quickly so that we look cute for this video. Yay. Same thing. Are we cute? Let me see. Yeah, I think we are ready for the video now. Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, if this is the first time on my channel, if this is your first time seeing one of my videos, I'm Siloko Ushu and you are very much welcome to the family. Today I am organizing my wardrobe, right? It's been a mess. So now we have to clean it, so please stay with me, chill with me while I organize my wardrobe. This part of the wardrobe we are not touching. I'm only going to focus on these shelves, right? I already packed my jerseys. Most of them are jackets and they are already in here. And just a few jerseys that I packed here on the bottom shelf of the wardrobe. So as here, I'm only packing my skirts and my dresses. So yeah, because I have a lot of dresses and skirts, that is why. And I love packing my clothes like this so that if I'm looking for the skirt, I can see it. If I'm looking for this dress, I can just pull it like this and then it doesn't mess up my wardrobe. Unlike when you're looking for something, you don't even see where it is and now you have to mess up the whole shebang.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
Guys, this skirt is short. Did you see on my graduation day? Oh, I was so uncomfortable. From now on, I'm only gonna wait for. Okay, someone is looking for me. So I'm coming back now, and I'm just gonna hear what they want, and then we'll be back. We'll continue, right? Yo, guys, you guys don't even tell me. I just watched our first footage and I'm like, no, no, no. I had to change the t-shirt that I was wearing and wear something more decent. Now that I'm done packing my dresses and skirts, I'm going to move into this part where I am going to be packing my t-shirts, my shirts, everything that I wear on the top. So yeah. Yes, please. So yeah, I like to start with long sleeves first. I put them at the bottom and then I come with like small sized t-shirts and so I think it's better that way. We're not changing anything, we're picking the same way. I'm just making sure they are the size of the cupboard or the shelf so that, you know, I can see everything or where everything is. So I'm starting with this gray shirt. I'm putting it here. I'm gonna push them back a bit so that when I close the door there's nothing disturbing, as you can see. So yeah. Secondly, I'm going to look for another long sleeve. It's this one, this top from that actually it's a two-piece. Let me show you. It came like this. Is a two-piece. It's these pants, right, and this top, but I've only wore it like this once. Oh, did you guys see it properly though? This is how it looks. It's a formal pants, formal brown pants. So yep, I should actually put the top here so that next time I wear it I'm not looking for a top. Where's the top? And then there's that's actually a nice outfit. Now that I see it, it's actually a nice outfit, right? Let me put it back and let sleeping dogs lie. Right now I'm just spending a lot of time looking for long sleeves, but if I just do this, keep them on the side, and then it's gonna be much more easier. I bought this at Mr. Price like a few days ago. I planned to go to that Guruman event, but then I couldn't because my friend needed me, so I had to cancel the event, which I do not regret. I had a lot of fun in Rustenburg. So yeah, you can check out the pictures on Instagram at @tolo_goishu. Oh, I already bought socks because I mean winter is coming, and I got them for 20 rand at Mr. Price. I got them for 20 rand, so I already bought them for winter. So like I am ready and waiting for winter. Oh gosh. So I'm just gonna keep them here and ready for winter, right? Also, but these things I'm buying a lot of socks. I don't know, I just, you know, like them a lot these days. So yeah, now that I have my long sleeves here, but I don't think it's all of them. Thank you, mother. Let me have lunch and then I'll get back to you guys. I'm seeing a lot of these. Maybe I should just put one of these here. Isn't it cute? So now that I have most of my long sleeves here, I'm just gonna continue packing, folding them. I love this blouse. So it's also going underneath, right? Oh, I forgot to show you guys these. My everyday uniform, guys. You see these runner shorts? I have like 5 of them. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, well, Thursday and Friday are in the laundry basket. I have, it's the black one, the black and white one, and the blue and white one. And then on weekends I prefer to wear these tights these gym tights because obviously on weekends I usually have people around who want to do their makeup or just people visiting, so I can't be walking around with these bum shorts while people are around. I only wear them when I'm just chilling at home doing nothing. Rona ka Setswana, or most of the people really bitsa diaparo tsa mo gae. Okay, my lips feel dry. Let me get a bit of Vaseline. So ke diaparo tsa ka tsa mo gae, mostly it's these shorts and oversized t-shirts like this one, this one. There's another one, the striped one that I normally wear. Yeah, and then this one. Every single week, these are on my laundry basket. Every single week, you will have these. So yeah, these are my favorite clothes because I'm very comfortable in them. It's hot, guys. Yo, even now I'm feeling hot. I wish I was wearing one of these, but I can't because yeah, we can't. It's indecent. It's not appropriate for YouTube. But in one of the videos, I think there's a clip where I am wearing one of these where I was packing my clothes. I think I was in Rustenburg, ne? Yeah, I think I was in Rustenburg, and I watched the clip and I was like, yo, this is so inappropriate. I cannot deal with this. Okay. So I decided I'm never ever going to wear that on camera again. Just feel uncomfortable having my body exposed on camera like that. It's just not it. These I'm just gonna put them in the drawer because I wear them every day, so I don't need them very far. I need them very closely. As you can see them, I'm just gonna put them like this in the drawer. And these are just my dukes, right? Here's another one. Here it is. This is just one of those dukes that I love. Like, you can wear it if you're wearing blue jean, let's just say denim and white, and then you put this duke if you're going to a duke on fleek event. You know what's up. So yeah, let me just remove the smaller things here. I think we are good to go. Just gonna put it on top of my things.
I like to be away my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Done with the top section, so this means we are almost done packing the wardrobe, right? Thank you guys for chilling with me. Seems like I have more of blouses, right? Because if you've worked in corporate before, you understand why I have a lot of blouses. I still do love this top. It's still one of my favorites, and you can see it's one of my favorites because it's torn somewhere. So yep, we are getting there. We are almost done. Oh, I bought this top a few days ago also from Mr. Price. Honey, and then you tie it at the back or something. Just it's just one of those sexy tops, and I don't want to pack it far because one of these days I'm gonna wear it. Just one of these days I'm going to need to wear it. No, I think this t-shirt is dirty. It is dirty because I wore it last week when I went to the salon to do my hair. You saw on the previous video and I was wearing it. I think we are almost done. We are almost done. You guys are gonna say I love white. Well, there's the lie. Where is the lie? Most of my clothes are white. So yeah, I do love white. It's not my favorite color, but when it comes to clothing, it is, right? I'm almost done, guys. Actually, I'm done. I just need to remove these things from the bird. Let me put this and this here. These are the bags that I'm using now currently most of the time. That's why you have them here for easy access. Runner shorts and tights. The second one we have my bras and swimwear bodysuit. On the first one we have my underwears and my socks. In order to make sure that my wardrobe smells nice all the time, I always take a clean panty liner, and then I take my favorite perfume. I normally use this one, buy this one for this very purpose. You can get it at Clicks. It's called the White Satin Pure. So I take it and then I spray it all over the panty liner, and then after doing that I'm gonna take the panty liner and paste it in each and every shelf of your wardrobe or in your drawers, everywhere. Every shelf in your wardrobe, you're just gonna paste it. As you can already see, I already have one pasted here. So if I feel like the nice smell or fragrance is running out, I just take my perfume again and then I just spray it here to make sure that it keeps the wardrobe smelling nice. This is just a hack I learned on, I think I learned it on TikTok.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
Hi once again, beautiful people. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you very much for chilling with me while I pack my wardrobe, while I organize it the way I do. I would really like to find out, and I'm really interested on how you guys organize your wardrobes. So if you have a suggestion, if you'd like to make some corrections, please leave it in the comment section. Please tell me how you do this, and please tell me how you keep it tidy for the whole month. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a question or a suggestion, like I've already mentioned, please leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified next time I upload another fire video. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe.